Welcome to BloomFX. Today I will be performing a live analysis on the odd card pair and showing to you guys a trade that me and the students capitalized on this week on the odd card pair. Now I'm going to be talking about two concepts in chart analysis. It might not be new to those that are already trading or have some level of experience in chart analysis. Now, these two concepts are the what I call market structure. I believe that is not a new concept in the market for those who have been trading, and multi-time frame analysis. Now, market structure is simply the support and resistance. As simple as that, they are very important in chart analysis. Very, very important. Identifying your structures in the market is key to becoming successful and knowing price movement in the financial market. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is I would identify my structures from the daily time frame, and we'll go on to the intraday time frame to get a proper entry point. Now, I will be using the bar replay tool to explain how we capitalize on the downward movement of odd card this week, so that you would see how we came about our entry. Now, BloomFX, we actually do offer a course on trading, and it's actually what I would term as a rule-based strategy, where you would have to just look for some certain rules, some certain things in the market, and all you have to do is to check the box. Okay, this is present, and what I have to do is just act according to it, according to the rule. It's basically easy and can be learned by anybody who is willing to be successful in the financial market. So we're going to be starting with the structures. First of all, we can identify a very nice daily structure from this point. As you can see, it's valid even from the 28th of July 2020, and this structure has been retested 3 times. It was tested here, the second one, and the third one, and from here we should be expecting a movement back to this neckline or to create an equal low here, but I would prefer the neckline of this W formation, which is another very important pattern in chart analysis. So we have been able to identify these two important structures from the daily time frame. Like I would say, the monthly, the weekly, and the daily are for directions, while the intraday time frames, which are the 4-hour, the 2-hour, the 1-hour, and the 15 minutes, are for your entry. Now, we would be going to the 4-hour to see if we would have more structures that would help us stack probability to sell. Now, from the 4-hour time frame, you see the structures we identify from the daily time frame, the resistance here and the support here. And from the 4-hour time frame, we can also identify another very good structure that is valid and has been tested up to like 4 times. We can easily identify the structure here. as you know, structures are very important in chart analysis. Now this structure is valid way back to like 11th of September, and we and to, to the current calendar year is just like 21st of September. So this structure is very, very valid. Now, what we would do here is, for the simple fact that a structure has been broken, uh, normally we would expect a retest of the structure and a continuation to the downside. Now, what we did with the student is we took our trade from this structure point. Since this structure has been broken, we're expecting the market to retest this structure, then continue to the downside. Now, we actually did enter this market on our 2-hour time frame. This is exactly what we did. We placed our pending order here, a sell limit, and our target was the neckline we identified from the daily time frame, and our stop loss was just above this structure we have here. Everything is according to structure. Now, the reason why we entered our trade from this point, I can't really share because it is part of the mentorship program, but I can tell you a simple support becoming resistance, and with a continuation to the downside. Now, let's see what the market did. Now, our pending order has already been triggered with this test of the previous resistance now becoming support. Previous support now becoming resistance, sorry. As you can see, we had multiple tests of this structure, and we were able to bank a nice risk of 1 to 2.3 with about 74 pips for the week on odd card. Now, this is just one pair of several we took this week that were actually profitable, just following simple market structure. And although we have many rules in which we apply and why we took our trade here, but for the simple fact of market structure, of which I can share with you for free, is previous support now becoming resistance, and it was tested and it created an impulse to the downside to complete our pattern. So that's it for today from Bloom FX. Thank you for watching.